A quick video here. I'm going to show you how to install a bulkhead into an aquarium. So this hole's already been drilled. Now I know some people think it's pretty, self-explanatory. You put the bulkhead in here and screw it on the other end. But there are a few things that some people get mixed up. So I'm going to have to do this one-handed, so it won't be the best. But this is just part of my setting up my racking system. So what you're going to do. So a lot of bulkheads actually only have one O-ring. Now the main thing you've got to make sure is that one of the O-rings is on the inside. So basically all you want to make sure is one of the O-rings is on the inside. So this one's lucky I've got two, which is good. So I'm going to put this one in through that way. Yes. And for holes, I reckon a 50mm hole for a 1 1/4 inch bulkhead. And simply just screws on like that. Right then, there we go. Now, another thing to make sure is that this is in the center of the hole. So it's like, so as you tighten it up, it tightens in the center, otherwise you'll leak. Now, you'll notice on them, they have like little grooves. So make sure not all of them will have this, but most bulkheads have little grooves on the inside of them. Now, you need to make sure that those grooves are facing into the glass. Now, if it still doesn't seem to seal, you can always add silicone. They should usually seal just like this. I have had a few times I've got a dodgy bulkhead and it hasn't quite sealed, and then you can always add this. Alright then, here we go. Now it's all mounted up. Now you can always use just one of these, multi-grip, to grip onto it and give it a little tighten. So obviously I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a bit harder. But that's literally all it is. That simple. Usually you can tighten it enough by hand to do that, but sometimes, yeah, you do want to get in the multi-grip, just get it a bit tighter. Now you never want to do it too tight because you can snap the glass. We want it just tight enough so there's a waterproof seal. Now I recommend before adding it to the system, you fill it up first and check if it leaks. Anyway guys, and that was just a quick video. Thanks for watching. Peace.